Here are 10 more reasons why your tapping might suck and how to fix it. Number 1, you're playing beyond your capabilities. Slow down and build up to more complex tapping techniques. Number 2, you have limited vocabulary. Don't get stuck using the same patterns. Learn new ones to expand your playing. Number 3, there's too much tension in your hands. Tension will kill your speed and precision. Number 4, you can't skip strings. String skipping can add way more dimension to your tapping. Practice string skipping exercises to improve your accuracy. Number 5, your action is too high or low. If your guitar setup isn't right, it'll make your tapping harder than it should be. Number 6, you're not sliding whilst tapping. Adding slides between taps makes your lines more fluid and dynamic. Number 7, you're only tapping one note at a time. Try tapping octaves or fifths to add depth and complexity to your lines. Number 8, you don't know more than one position. Learn tapping patterns across different positions to open up the fretboard. Number 9, you don't have any stock licks. Create a few go-to tapping licks you can use in any situation. And finally, number 10, you haven't worked my JTC pack independent tapping. In this masterclass, I give you everything you need to know to master this technique. Fix these 10 things and take your tapping technique to the next level.